Today we fly over the fabled laid-back Vilnius district of Žvėrynas, where the prestigious and the crumbling stand side by side. Its name means the land of the beasts, reminding of a time when this was the favorite hunting forest of the Lithuanian nobility. By the 1920s and 1930s, however, Žvėrynas was built up as a wooden suburb of Vilnius. Many of its wooden houses have elaborate architectural details that made this district famous. Miraculously, Žvėrynas escaped the grand Soviet schemes of rebuilding everything from scratch into massive apartment blocks. Thus, Žvėrynas retained that atmosphere of a calm interwar suburb, despite being located literally a stone's throw from the Parliament of Lithuania, which you can see here, on the other side of this bridge over the river Needys. Žvėrynas's location, its romantic single-family homes, and calm tree-lined streets, the Needys River that hugs the entire district, and the massive Vingis Park that is just beyond this suspension bridge, made Žvėrynas an especially prestigious location to live, after Lithuania became independent in 1990. Many embassies and ambassador residences found their homes here, such as the Russian embassy seen here, a regular site for protests against Russian imperialism. The new prestige of Žvėrynas has been a mixed blessing, however. The lovers of old Žvėrynas feel that the district they loved has been suffering a death by 1,000 cuts, as one old wooden building after another is being replaced by new developments of a more urban scale. Not every new owner acted like this, however. In this drone tour, we can also see buildings such as these, which are, hopefully, being restored to their full wooden glory. Žvėrynas has always been an outback, and its atmosphere is the prime experience here. Should you need actual sights, however, like elsewhere in Vilnius, the religious buildings stand out. Firstly, this towerless Roman Catholic Church of Immaculate Conception, built in 1925 as the hub of the district. Secondly, this 1903 Znamenskaya Russian Orthodox Church, built while Vilnius was still under the Russian imperial rule. It has been constructed at the direct opposite end of Vilnius's main street, Gediminas Avenue, from the Vilnius Cathedral, thus offering a symbolic Russian counterbalance to that Lithuanian Catholic structure. Then there is this small Catherine Russian Orthodox Church, and a kenesa, a house of worship of a small Karaite religion. Žvėrynas is not the only historic wooden suburb that has survived unscathed in Vilnius or other cities of Lithuania. In fact, some others, like Šnipiškės, shown here, survive even better, providing even starker contrasts with a modern city nearby. These, however, we will cover in the other Lithuania drone tour videos. Subscribe to this channel and you'll be the first to see them.